Hi, and welcome to Thorogood's short web series on Tableau 8.0's new features. My name is Jessica Schmidt, and I am a US-based consultant at Thorogood Associates. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the new user interface upgrades to Tableau Server 8.0. So let's jump right in. I've just logged on to Tableau Server 8.0, and now I have this great dashboard open. And from this legend up here, I know that the colors on my map indicate the sales of each state. However, now that I'm looking at it, I think I also want to see profits on this map. And luckily for me, the new Tableau Server 8.0 is now capable of in-browser authoring, meaning that if I click Edit up here, I'm taken to this page here, which looks very similar to Tableau Desktop, and I can go ahead and make my change right here. So to be clear, this runs entirely in my browser. You don't need Java or Flash or any other software installed. And the great thing is, you don't even need Tableau Desktop installed. All you need is Tableau Server. This is really great because it even allows my colleagues that don't have Tableau Desktop to contribute to visualizations. However, there are some limitations as to what we can do here in the browser. As a rule of thumb, anything that requires a pop-up window, like creating a new calculation or connecting to a data source, needs to be done in Tableau Desktop. But regardless, this is a really powerful new feature because it really enhances your Tableau Server experience. Now I'm able to quickly make changes without interrupting my workflow and breaking up my analysis. If I see something that needs to be changed, I no longer have to exit Tableau Server to make that change. Here in the browser, I can modify existing visualizations or even create new ones. So now I'll go ahead and make the change that I wanted, which was to add profit to this map. So I'll just go ahead and drag it on to size. Now the size of my circles represent the profit, and the color of my circles still represent the sales. And that's all I want to do for now, but as you can see on this page, I have the capability to do so much more. I can also access my other existing worksheets or even create a whole new worksheet by clicking here. So now that I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and save. And now when you edit on the web, you might not want to overwrite your original workbook, so you can do a save as instead. And that creates an entirely new workbook without ever leaving my browser window, which is pretty amazing. So now that I've shown you in-browser authoring, I'll move on and I'll hop right onto my iPad to show you how completely mobile-ready Tableau is. So here I am in the free Tableau app, which allows me to access my Tableau Server account. You can get this app on your tablet, like here on my iPad, or on an Android device. However, you can also access Tableau Server through mobile browsers like Safari, the exact same way that you would on your computer. You should note that no matter how you're connecting, either on an Android tablet or on an iPad, using either the Tableau app or signing in through your mobile browser, because you're accessing Tableau Server, you are not downloading anything to your mobile device, meaning that if you lose your mobile device, all of your data is still conserved and totally secure. So anyway, you can see here that I have full access to all of my workbooks. You can see on the last line that I even have access to the new copy of the workbook that we just made when I was showing you the in-browser authoring feature on Internet Explorer. Note that I didn't have to do a thing to these reports to make them accessible through my iPad. No extra scripting, no extra back-end or front-end work at all. All I did was download the Tableau app on my iPad. So now I'll open up my report and go to my dashboard. Here, I can interact with my dashboard the exact same way that I would on my computer. You'll notice that it automatically makes my dashboard touch optimized, meaning that it enlarges my selections for me so that I can easily tap on what I want. For example, I can use my year filter just by tapping on it, and then it enlarges so that I can correctly hit which year that I want. I can even also do in-browser authoring on my iPad just by hitting the Edit button up here in the upper right. And you'll see that it looks exactly the same. I could have made the change that I did earlier right here on my iPad. I don't have any further changes to make, so I'll just return to my dashboard now. So all in all, this is extremely convenient for people on the go. For example, if I were an executive on my way to an important meeting, or if I were a manager working on the floor of a manufacturing plant. The fact that my workbooks are so easily accessible on my mobile device, combined with the new in-browser authoring feature, is really incredible. Thanks for watching. If you have any further questions, please feel free to visit our website at thorogood.com or email me at jessica.schmidt@thorogood.com. Thanks.